No keys?
No problem.
No problem. Any luck?
Nope.
Ah! They killing us, bro. It's about to go down. We out here. Yes, sir. Woo! Back at it again. Bubble tea shop in the house with the squad. This guy. Usual suspects. Public Enemy 101.
What did I do? Ah!
Wait. What is this? What do we have here? Wow. This is how you know you're regular. What does he get? Brand new thing.
With the Skittles skirt. Skittles skirt.
Enjoy that. Mount it somewhere on the wall. We out here.
Trial, and then we send them again the final one.
We out here.
They still printed the
Christmas with the SMs.
Merry Christmas. It's always fun here with the fam. Corey, Thomas. Merry Christmas. Welcome home.
Oh, where'd it go? Oh. Messed up the shot. Yes, sir. God's purpose from the beginning has always been the same. To share who he is with all people that they might come back to him. Embedded in each and every covenant. The promise that all the families in the earth would be blessed through God's people, in addition to the blessing for God's people.
So the mom went to one, the other day to
Got video. It's my mom right here.
Oh, hi.
And my other mom right here.
Oh, wow.
I have plenty, mom.
We out here?
We out here. Rolling deep with the squad. Dinner time, Saturday night. Happy New Week. We out here. Getting dive on. Yes, sir.
Yeah, NHL shut it down until January 1st.
Let's go. Out here. Back at it again. Woo! Come on! What? There it is.
Okay, advanced diver. Okay, advanced nitrox. Clear. Clear. About to get the third dive in. Let's go. We out here. Dives down. New squad got it in the books. Game time. Solid. What spots we hit? We hit German Channel. Emily's Coral Garden. Clarence Wall. 3 up, 3 down. Until next time. Yeah, with a couple more dives in the books. We need to count. We need to count and see how many we have. That's what we need to do.
Actually, 3 career dives for me.
He's a liar. Maybe 3 on Mr. Nitrox over here. We out here making a store run. Sarangul, Raw, and we're out here with the fawns.
Thomas, can you
can't hide.
Pull some strings and get us some boba on Sunday? You've been chatting her up.
Yeah, man. You know she feeling you, bro. She gave you a gift. Easy money, man. Easy money. Why are you trying to hide, man? We still know it's you. You can't hide from this. Alfonso, one of my gifts is reading people. And you made it very easy.
He read you like a book.
You made it very easy, man. I didn't have to try hard.
He read you like a book.
Shoot, that was like an audio book, man. All I had to do was just pull up and listen. Oh, it's been a long time, but we're back. Oh, we out here rolling deep. Out here rolling deep. Grub Nation, drop off. It's been a long time, but we're back. 3 years. I'm back.